7? No, 6. It's my nephew. Let's go zoom. Okay. It's like this. We are Portuguese, so our films our movies are half Portuguese and half English. Doing our best, guys. Doing our best. Guys and girls and boys and little bird people. Good boys. Hi, Mama. Hi, thumbs. We are going to the birthday party. The kids' birthday party. Oh, scary. Look, kids. Lots of kids. Yeah. Right. Ooh, the great, the magnificent iPhone. Ooh. I can do a commercial like this. You do it. iPhone, only for the best ones. No, that's the soundtrack. That's as in balloons, balloons, and now S, and now balloons, and now S again, and now S and balloons, and now balloons and that, and so. I have to meet our new friend. It's Snow White and the dwarfs. They're so cute. Let's go now. What you going to see? Down. Inside there. Inside there. What you going to see next? It's the most wonderful thing that every girl likes to do. Whatever. Every girl likes to see. Noise. This is called, in English, you don't know. In Portuguese, it's pretty nice. I just know that the guys put like that, thing that. And then I guess they just flushed away there. The pea? They flushed the pea in there. Whoa, there's a lot of water. Now, this is where they wash their hands. A boy touched there. Very good. I'm going to tell you. Oh, look. I'm going to tell you. Naughty, naughty, naughty. Naughty thoughts, naughty thoughts. No. Naughty thoughts. Is there a guy in there? Is it? It's occupied. No. Perhaps it's a guy there. Just pink. I guess. Poop. He's like poop. Because no, thank you too much. I don't hear anything. I think it's just pee. I don't see. Pee is over there. I don't hear no noise. No, you have to really ask sounds out. Say English. You don't know how this is called. So these I'm gonna leave a comment. These are things for men. And these are and this is for gay ones. They just don't do it. They seat themselves and just do this thing. They put it I'm down. Because you think boys cook here? You know what? I don't think so. It's not comfortable. It's not. Do it yourself. It's not comfortable. Oh gosh! They bath themselves here. God, it stinks in here. It stinks. Ew. Look, I got some boy poop right here. Take a shower. What's this? I don't know, but it's disgusting. You guys are disgusting. Ew. We're gonna take a shower on the ground. Let's go touch it. Doing you. Maybe that's cool. Yeah. I don't know. The mirror again. You remember the mirror of the guy's bathroom? Really? Awesome. Every girl's dream. Oh, that's funny. We could do it on the girls' bathroom, but it's not funny. Go in there every time. Well. Okay. Sarah, look, it's the girls' bathroom. Bye. Bye.
Não. O que estás a fazer, Juliana? Estou a desespero. Era uma vez tu? Morri. Ela está ali no canto e não me estou a aparecer. Ela está no canto. Desliza.
Hi, little bunny. It's a
I'll
little
give
bit
you the
funny.
bunny!
Who's feeling inside?
It's a little bit funny. Não vocês, fala assim. Tipo, Angelina Jolie a falar com o marido. Brad Pitt! Come on, honey! Brad Pitt!
Está parecido?
Não, fala assim, canta aquela música do Oh, Ana Ju. Fica isso. Aquelas coisas. Não ficamos um bocadinho. Olha algum derreter. Melting. Comecei a